Jennifer, so let's say DCS showed up at my house and they took my kid.
Okay.
So do I need a lawyer? If so, what kind of lawyer? How do I go about, what would be my first step?
Okay, so I want to talk about two different scenarios. The first one is DCS shows up at the house and they just want to talk to the parents. They want to do their investigation, they want to interview the parents. The parent just needs to decide, do they want to exercise their right to have a lawyer when they're being interviewed by a government official. And that is a personal choice. If there were criminal allegations, I think the parent should seriously talk to a lawyer before they make any statements. But maybe there's a misunderstanding or a dispute with the neighbor that they think is the origin of the call. Maybe they don't want to escalate the situation by hiring a lawyer. If the child has been removed and the parent has been served with that warrant, then DCS is likely going to file a petition in court to obtain temporary legal and physical custody of the child. And in that case, if a parent is indigent, just as in a criminal matter, they'll be appointed an attorney if they can't afford one on their own, or they can go out and hire their own lawyer.
And is there certain qualities I'm looking for in a lawyer? Like, do I look up DCS lawyers? I mean, what would I look up for that?
You're not going to find DCS lawyers. It doesn't say that. They would be looking for someone who practices specifically in the area of juvenile law and who has experience in that area. Juvenile law has its own set of procedural rules and that are unique to that area. And so they really need someone who's not just a civil, family, or probate attorney, but somebody who has been to juvenile court and knows the rules of juvenile court and the procedures and practices.
And you are that, is that not correct?
Yes, I have practiced in the area a long time.
Okay, so do you take DCS cases?
Yes, we do take some, not a lot, because again, most people are appointed a lawyer, and so for the most part, that is where the representation in juvenile court happens, is with those public agencies.
And so if there was an issue, would my child get a lawyer and I get a lawyer? Like, who represents the child in this situation?
So again, prior to the filing of any dependency action, the parent is the parent and they are the child's representative. If DCS files an action to take legal custody, which means they have interfered with the parent's right to make those very decisions, the child will be appointed in Maricopa County a guardian ad litem, who is an attorney. The parent does not pick. It is appointed randomly through a system within the courts. And in other counties, the child may be appointed an attorney. But regardless, the child will have an attorney who will be their voice in court.
Okay, thank you.